Kindergartners, we're going to read this book called The Handiest Things in the World by Andrew Clements. While we read, I'm going to be asking you some questions, and we're going to be looking at the text to answer them. The handiest things in the world. Of all the handy things there are, the hand itself is best by far. To grab, to hold, to pull or twist, the hand itself is handiest. But other things are handy too. Just look around, you'll see it's true. Which things are handiest for you depends on what you need to do. That word handiest means helpful. Hand is like your hand, but the word handiest can refer to lots of things. So lots of things out there that are helpful and help you do things. The things I want to show you here, things old and new from far and near, they all came from a simple plan. The hand is where they all began, a simple plan. Let's keep reading. Mealtime happens every day. Keep your fingers clean this way. He's using chopsticks. Ooh, those are very handy. The text tells us to keep our fingers clean this way. What do you see in the picture that could help keep your fingers clean while you eat? Avery, what do you see?
Chopsticks.
That's my daughter. She says chopsticks. That will definitely be very handy at keeping your fingers clean. Let's keep reading. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add, subtract, then add again. Let's see. Can you find... Oh, the boy in this picture, he's holding up his hands. What is he using them to do? What's he using them to do, Avery?
Remember the count.
Yeah, he's counting with his fingers. That is so handy. What does this word add mean? Add means you're putting things together. What about subtract? That means you're taking it away. Good job. All right, let's keep reading. 2 wet hands can hold and pour. This will pour a whole lot more. Let's reread that one more time. When I reread, I want you to find a word that has the sound. What letter makes the sound? Good. M. M makes the sound. When I say a word that has the sound or the letter M, clap your hands really loud so I can hear you. You ready? 2 wet hands can hold and pour. This will pour a whole lot more. Yay! Good job. Let's keep going. Raindrops falling from the sky. This will help to keep you dry. Nice work, guys. Wish I might, wish I may, sweep this dusty stuff away. What's this word dusty mean? Avery, what's dusty mean? It starts with a D, but dusty is when it's covered in lots of little pieces of dirt. Sometimes when I walk into my room and the sun is going through the window, there's all these little spots floating around, and that's dust flying through the air. And in these pictures, you see dust on this desk. Great job. Let's keep going. Handmade shade for squinty eyes. He's using shade. This will help with sunny skies. What things in the picture help to stop the sunlight from going in the boy's eyeballs? What things are they using? What handy things? Avery, what's one thing you see?
A hand and a hat.
Yeah, he's using his hand for shade, and he's using his hat for shade. Great job. Digging in and scooping down. Let's move lots of dirt around. I love playing with dirt. I don't know why, but I absolutely love it. Tidy is the way to be. This will help enormously. What does the girl use to keep her hair tidy? What handy thing does she use? What does she do? What is she using?
a hair tie.
A comb and a hair tie. That keeps it tidy. And I used the picture to answer that one. Flip a hand to make a breeze. Push more air with one of these. Wow. What? Okay, let's reread this page. And we're going to look for a medial A sound. That means that A sound is in the middle of the word. When I read a word that has a medial A sound, clap your hands really loud. Okay, ready? Flap. Good. Flap has an A in the middle. A hand. Good job. Hand has an A in the middle. To make. Good. A breeze. Breeze doesn't have an A sound, Avery. Silly. Push more air with one of these. Good job, you guys. Wow, you are getting good with your letter sounds. Tap in rhythm. Keep the beat. Work with these and make some heat.
Mommy.
Yeah, monkey. What's the width or length or height? This thing will always get it right. Oh, what's he holding in his arm?
Measuring tape.
A measuring stick. It could be a ruler. This looks like it almost looks like a meter stick, but it's a little too short. It's almost like a really big ruler. It's kind of a weird length. Sticky fingers make a mess. Mixers make the mess much less. Oh, I love baking. I wonder what they're making. It looks like pancakes, huh? Looks like pancakes. Let's try. I'm going to read this one more time, and I want you to clap when I say our high frequency word for this week, the. So everyone try and find the high frequency word, the, and clap when I say it. Ready? Sticky fingers make a mess. Mixers make the. Yeah, the. That is our high frequency word, the, right there. T-H-E. What's the word?
T-H-E,
The. Mess much less. Good job, you guys.
the.
Waves will wash these words away right this way, and words will stay. Ooh, that was fun that they wrote the word in the picture. Wow, that was pretty cool. Let's keep going. Many years have come and gone. Our hands keep working on, and as the future years unfold, new handy tools will grip or hold. Whatever we may need to do, one fact remains forever true. For sharing love with tenderness, the hand itself is handiest. Oh, that was a great story. I love when stories rhyme. It's my favorite part. Great job, kindergartners.